Okay, step 1, fill you with gasoline. I already did that. Next, I wheel you outside so you don't fill the tool shed with fumes and kill me. And then I put this little tent around you so you don't get snow in your private areas. And I just pull this cord. Ha-ha! I did it! As the scientists say.
Honeybee, I'm very impressed you found the tool shed in this insane blizzard. You are quite the survivalist.
Yeah, maybe I'm a little bit of a honeybee.
I know you're gonna take great care of my wolf.
Yeah, she is.
I never would have thought that refried beans, salsa, mayonnaise, scallops, and cashews would all go so well together.
Oh, you should try it when you're drunk.
Okay, it's your team's turn, and I'm really, really rooting for you guys to beat us.
Moon, are you reading all the clues from the bowl?
I thought these were chips.
Gosh, isn't this fun?